Alright viewers, D-Doc here again. It's Saturday afternoon, and so it starts. I know it's tough to see, but the ice from this morning on the pavement has melted. Temperature currently here in central western Iowa is 31 degrees, just below freezing. And it's raining. This is the second bout of rain to come in. The first one was last night. Second one has moved in. Since we're below freezing, wind is increasing. This is going to start freezing up. Going to make another icy mess out here in central western Iowa. Due to come later, anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of snow. Yippee-yay-hoo. Hey, thanks for watching, commenting. Stay tuned. I'll be back when the snow comes around.